We are the Missouri S&T Multi-Rotor Design Team, and we're excited to show you Sparrow, the drone that our team has spent the year working hard to create. Our competition team looks forward to attending this year's SUAS competition.
Before starting on the design and construction of Sparrow, we first laid out the safety risks that building a drone of this size could bring. One safety risk has to do with batteries and our flight time. For the batteries we use on our drone, we make sure to protect the terminals and the balance leads to prevent unintentional contact. And we also monitor the voltage of each of the batteries before, during, and after flights to make sure that we are above our minimum voltage. Once the batteries are connected, we use the Mach system to turn on our autopilot, GPS, and other sensors on the drone without providing power to the motors. This allows us to perform software checks on the drone, such as ensuring connectivity, testing all the sensors on the drone, and taking photos. We can then press a button at the top of the drone from a far distance to finally provide power to the motors once we are ready for flight. Speaking of software, all of our autonomous code goes through rigorous testing before it is ran on a physical drone. We make small tests to prove that different features of the code work independently, and all of these tests are run in a simulator, which ensures that the drone isn't going to places it shouldn't. Once the code is tested, it goes through a final code review by our software leads to catch any final and lasting bugs.